CATL has reported that Tesla will soon introduce a new Model 3 that is manufactured in China. CNEV Post reports that according to two persons with knowledge of the situation, that this version of Tesla Model 3 has a range boost of at least 10% across the board. The lithium iron phosphate, LFP, batteries from CATL, which have CLTC ranges of 556 km to 675 km, are used to power the current Model 3 cars made at Tesla Giga Shanghai. According to the research, the ranges should exceed 600 km and 700 km with the upgraded battery packs. According to a late post article from August 3, CATL will start supplying Tesla with M3P batteries for Model Y vehicles using 72 kWh packs in the fourth quarter of 2022. These vehicles will be ready early the next year. Due to the decreased cost of CATL's M3P batteries, the Model 3 and Model Y might both see price drops with the new packs, according to a report from CATL. According to the report, both the Model 3 and Model Y have potential to decrease in price with the new packs because CATL's M3P batteries are less expensive. According to a Tesla China source quoted in Caixin's report, the news is a rumor and does not correspond to the facts. Previously, CATL claimed that its M3P batteries cost as much as LFP batteries but less than ternary lithium batteries, and had an energy density boost of roughly 15% above LFP batteries, with up to 210 watt-hours per kilogram. The M3P battery would primarily target the market with a range of more than 700 kilometers, according to CATL chief scientist Wu Kai, in a presentation at the 2022 World EV and S Battery Conference on July 22. The M3P batteries from CATL are already in mass production and will be used starting in 2019, according to Wu. He also said that this battery pack will use M3P cells in the pack structure of Qilin battery, resulting in a greater range. CATL's M3P batteries are already in mass production and will be used starting next year. The M3P cells and pack structure from Qilin battery will be used in this battery pack, extending its range. On June 23, CATL announced the CTP, cell-to-pack, 3.0 Qilin battery, a chemistry-free advancement in battery pack structure. According to CATL, the Qilin battery sets a new record as the highest integrated battery in the world by enabling volume utilization to exceed 72%. They also said that the battery will be in mass production by 2023 and will have an energy density of 255 watt-hours per kilogram, easily enabling the vehicle to achieve a range of 1,000 kilometers. According to news from CATL, Tesla does not intend to use BYD batteries in vehicles made at Giga Shanghai. On August 10, CATL reported that Tesla's Berlin facility, which is also the first Tesla plant to use BYD's batteries, has begun receiving deliveries of the Blade batteries that BYD has provided to the latter. According to the article, the first Tesla vehicles equipped with BYD Blade batteries are anticipated to leave the factory within a month, or between late August and early September this year. Things are also happening at Giga Berlin. Check out the video above to find out more about the latest developments from the Tesla factory in Berlin.